What is swimming? Swimming is an individual or team racing sport that requires the use of one's entire body to move through the water.
Swimming was first introduced at the Olympics in 1896. Swimming has featured on the program of all editions of games since in 1896. The very first Olympic event were the freestyle or breaststroke. Prehistorical swimming was essential in order to cross the river and lakes, as indicated in ancient cave paintings from Egypt which depicted swimmers.
According to archaeological and other evidence shows swimming to have been practiced as early as 250 BCE in Egypt and thereafter in Assyrian, Greek, and Roman civilization. Many refers Vilsakovich as the father of swimming in Micronesia, a pioneer in the region spreading the love of sports throughout the island. The 4 swimming strokes comes after you have mastered the basic skills of swimming. The 4 swimming strokes are front crawl, breaststroke, backstroke, and butterfly. Breaststroke is one of the oldest swimming styles. However, breaststroke was not thought of as an athletic activity for a long time.
The first swimming race were held in Japan in 36 BC.
Ma'am, galing mo pala dyan ah!